What is going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we got a Mercedes-Benz that we are wrapping in electric pink chrome by Tech Wrap. Right now I'm removing the old wrap. Thank God on the doors it was pretty good. The crazy thing is when you get to this part, like where it's yellow, it doesn't like to come off in like nice big chunks. It likes to get really brittle. It's almost like removing thin plastic dip, but that's only in some areas. Like right here it started really acting up. You got like this spot, like where it's yellow, it's just horrible. On top, thank God, not the whole thing, but speaking of the whole thing, yeah, the whole trunk is yellow, so that's gonna be fun. Only this part. But if you're trying to prevent this, and let's say you want vinyl to stay in your car for 3 years, and then 3 years later you want it to come off in nice big chunks, then you want to make sure that the vinyl you go with is made out of cast. The way you know this is when you read up the specs on that particular vinyl you go with. And I know Metro Restyling tends to have that in their description section, I feel like, where it says what the material is made out of, how long does it stay indoor, outdoor, removable up till. You want to pay attention to that part. Cast will always be better in this case than calendared. And this is really why Tinybot, Tech Wrap, they're much cheaper than Avery Dennison 3M2080. It's all because calendared versus cast. You know, if you're gonna have vinyl that's gonna stay on for like a year and then you want to remove it, change color, then sure, Tech Wrap, you know, Tinybot is cheaper also. But if you're gonna go with calendared vinyl and it's gonna stay outside for 2 years and it's really hot outside, you're from Arizona for example, yeah, this is what happens. So yeah, just pointing that out. But yeah, we're gonna remove this and start wrapping. I'll be updating you guys. All right, so went through all the hassle of removing all the vinyl adhesive, everything. Even did the roof right here. I already did the front portion because in the middle you got the moon roof, so to speak. It's really nice. Now I'm doing this rear bumper, and I feel it with my hands. I don't feel no funny stuff. I had to literally wet sand this over and over again, 320 grit, and then 600 just lightly. Yeah, like looks really good. I used a little sample, put it over, and yeah, I don't see no funny stuff. Like you don't even see the damage. That's how good I did it. Right here. And right here and right here is really bad. Almost looked like something punctured from the other side. So there is a little bump right here, but nothing I could do. Come on, you gotta get a new bumper at that point. But the best that I could do, I did, and it's looking really good. So when I wrap, you're not gonna really see no damage. All right, now we're on to the front bumper, and we're gonna do a two-tone, just finish it up in the front. From here down, it's electric pink, and then gloss black. You can kind of see where I'm going with this. Yes, it's gonna look so good. So I did the hood and I did this part on the bumper. It's complete, kind of giving you guys already a complete finished look. I will be taking this out in the sun and doing a 360 walk around. And if you're wondering what is this film thing, well, this is what removes the scratches that are caused using gloves or squeegees. Like here's a good example right here. This basically removes it, just peel it off. I wish Avery did this, otherwise I would have been using Avery, but I feel like it's also even easier to use 3M2080 in this case, because not only did you get this thing, protective film thing that's also really stretchable, you don't need to remove it when you're installing. You could install while this is on, and then when you finish, just peel it off, get all the scratches gone. And so yeah, this is really nice. I think Vinyl Frog does this as well. Just trying to point that out. If you're doing hoods, roofs, better to go with 3M2080. It's gonna cost you more, but you know, quality finish. Look at this. Looks beautiful. I can't wait to take this out in the sunlight. Matter of fact, let's do that right now. Well, there you guys have it. It's finished. Looks so good. Actually, I like this. Now it looks complete with the front end being gloss black. Let's go around real quick. The sides look really nice. In the back, it completes it as well. The spoiler, gloss black. They wanted me to do it electric pink chrome, but I said, nah, look, gloss black, the theme, it needs to be gloss black within the gloss black, you know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, we got this all figured out. Looks so good. Definitely goes well with the gloss black handles. The electric pink chrome doing its work. I'm in love with this color theme right here. This looks beautiful. I should call this the mini Maybach, seriously. But yeah, there you guys have it. So there you guys have it, all finished. Now we got another car, stay tuned for that. Got this car right here, the Mustang Coyote Supercharged. Did the trunk, roof, hood. I will be revealing the doors, which I did also in the next video. So you do not want to miss that. Subscribe, comment, like this video, share it. And I will see you guys later. Peace out.